All right, everybody, here's an update on the Saba van status. Here's the Aero all put back together. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can start it up for you, let you see what it's doing, get an idea of what's going on. So here we go. I don't know if it's going to start again, but we'll see. Look at that, it started up. Okay, sounds rough. Yep, here comes the smoke. Here it comes. Oh yeah, there it is. That's what it was doing. Look at that. Whew. Rough. 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 Look at all that smoke. So this is it. This is after putting the new head gasket in, putting it all together. I think it might be the sleeve for piston number 3. I think that might be what's going on. I'm looking for the piston so I can show you guys right now. But I don't see it handy. Look at all this. Look at this. Just smoking like a bitch. So it doesn't look like a smoked turbo to me. It doesn't look like a smoked turbo. Not overheating. Huh. It's actually not as bad as it was. I don't know. Yeah it is. Yeah it is. Shit. Let's see if I can, there's the piston right there. So here it is. Oh, bastard. This is what came out. What a little shitbird. I don't know if you're picking that up in the sound, but definitely oil smoke there. Definitely burning oil of some sort. Something else I want you guys to see. Check this out. Look at that coolant. Look at that shit. Black. Look at the engine moving like that. Holy crap. Rough. Rough. Yep, here comes the smoke. There's the little smoking bastard that I was familiar with. Yep, all coming out. Definitely oil smoke. Definitely oil smoke. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna turn this little bitch off. All right, there you go. The saw wrench stuck.